So hey guys, hope you are doing well, and it's very long time that I am going to upload this video on my channel. So basically in this video I will tell you one of the best Chegg alternative website in which you can work as a subject matter expert like a Chegg, Bartleby, Coursera, and as well as if you want to make as a tutor, like if you want to interact one to one with the student, then you can go ahead with it also. So make sure you should watch this complete video because one of the best Chegg alternative website right now in the market, and I will cover all the process like how you can make and who can register and how to register and what are the qualifications and what are the experience required. All the points, all the things will be covered in this video. And also if you are a student, then you can register in this platform as a student also, like if you want to take homework help and one-to-one help from their expert, then you can take help as a student from this platform also. So now let's move to our laptop screen and we'll see all the process over there. So now I am on my laptop screen, as you can see here, and all the necessary link will be provided in this description of this video, and also you can search on Google like myengineeringbuddy.com and you will redirect to the here. And basically this website offering two things. One is you can register as a student and you can register as a tutor or subject matter expert. Let's first understand that how we can register as a tutor or as a subject matter expert on this website. So basically when you will come on this interface, then just you need to click on the tutoring jobs. So when you will click on this tutoring job option, then you will find this type of interface. So basically here they are hiring basically. So let's talk about the key points that who can apply. So basically if you are subject matter expert already on the Chegg, Bartleby and any other platform like Coursera, in which we have already made detailed video, you can watch on the channel. So here you can apply, and also there are one interesting and you can say important key factor of over here is this, that you should have degree from IITs, NITs or equivalent, then only you can apply here. And have you done BTech, MTech, you can read all the instruction here carefully and you can simply apply over here. And let's talk about the working hours. So working hours are very flexible, as you are already Chegg expert, so you can work anytime. You will find the question and you can solve anytime any question, and according to that you will get the payment. Also maximum student from the USA and out of the India, so definitely you will get good amount of payment here. So now I tell you why I was saying that it is one of the best Chegg alternative, because of this, right? So it is saying that it has experience with Chegg and another platform also like Tutor Vista. So basically that is why I was talking about that. I was saying that it is one of the best Chegg alternative because they are looking for you. If you are already Chegg expert, then yeah, they are looking for you. And also if you are from IITs, NITs or equivalent, then you can apply here, and you should apply here. And how we can apply, we'll see later. And so you can read all the things here because I don't want to waste your time. So you can see awesome payment is also they are providing, and become an expert to online tutoring. And also you can see here many tutor or expert is already here, like you can review here. So these are from IIT Kharagpur PhD, so you can read it here. And now let's see that how we can apply. So first of all you need to fill your first name, then last name, and then you need to give your WhatsApp number and the subject, in which subject you want to make subject matter expert. And then you need to fill online tutoring. So online tutoring means also have digital pen, pad or iPad or pencil. In right now if you are subject matter expert, then you should have all the things already. So home working assignment, like the online tutoring means one-to-one tutoring, and home working assignment means you will be work as a subject matter expert, so that is not a problem. And then live session, if you can provide live session, then you can fill your details here also. And one of the best important thing is here educational background. You need to mention your educational background here. And then experience, in experience if you are subject matter expert already on the Chegg platform, then you can write, or whatever in your platform you work, you can write here. It will help for your selection process. So and then it is availability in a weekdays or in the weekend, in which time you are available, then you can fill here. And online presence, in online presence you can give your any website link or LinkedIn profile link here, and then you need to click on the submit button. When you will click the submit button, then they will review your application and they will contact you through mail or WhatsApp contact number which you have already filled. So now let's talk about the available subject or in which subject you can work. So as you can see on your screen here, all the subjects are available. Like if you want to register for computer science, then you can go with computer science, statics, data science, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, calculus. And as you can see on your screen, all the subjects are available in which you can register and you can make as a subject matter expert. So till now we have done that how we can make as a tutor or subject matter expert on this platform. Now let's see that if you are a student, then how you can take a service or you can register on this platform, how you can register. So basically just simple thing, very simple. They made a very simple thing here for you. You need to click on homework help option, and you will find here that you will see they are providing you 24/7 homework help through the WhatsApp only. So just simply you need to click on this option, WhatsApp for homework help, WhatsApp for tutoring help. So let's say if you want to solve your assignment or if you want to take help in your assignment, then you can simply choose WhatsApp for homework help option. And if you want to take help, like if you want to discuss some question or some problem one-to-one, then you can simply choose on WhatsApp for online tutoring, and they will guide you through the WhatsApp all the thing, and all the things is very genuine. And the thing is, no need to register or subscribe, just WhatsApp or email us or requirement and make payment and get help. So these are the very simple things. I hope all the thing is very clear to you, and I hope you will register over this platform. And if you find any kind of difficulties and if you want any kind of help, then you can just simply comment down on this video and definitely I will help you. So guys, hope you find this video helpful, and again if you find this helpful, then make sure you should like, share and subscribe this channel.